Hello, friends! It's exam time again, and we've been doing a lot of it lately. The content of today's exam gonna be vocabularies from lesson 30 to lesson 35. So if you haven't learned anything about those lessons, I suggest that you watch lesson 30 to lesson 35 and also the quiz session videos first. The first question for today: which one is the hunter of Pang? Which one do you think is the right answer, guys? A is Man, B is Kwai, C is Pang, and D is Shou. And Pang here is C. The next one here: which one is the hunter of Ti Zhong? Do you guys still remember or not? A is Shen Gao, B is Zheng Chong, C is Ti Zhong, and D is Jian Fei. Ti Zhong here is C. The next one here: which one is the Hanzi of Kai? Please try to recall first. A is Cao, B is Duan, C is Guan, and D is Kai. Kai here is D. The next one here: which one is the Hanzi of Dui? If you guys cannot remember, it doesn't matter. Just try to guess first and you might get the right answer. A is 去, B is 对, C is 做, and D is 回. So 对 here is B. Moving on to the next question: which one is the Hanzi of 蜜蜂? Which one do you think is the correct answer? A is 喜欢, B is 蜜蜂, C is 讨厌, and D is 蜂蜜. 蜜蜂 is B. Do you guys get the right answer or not? Because it's a little bit tricky. While B is 蜜蜂, D is 蜂蜜. But B is the right answer. Moving on to the next one: which one is the Hanzi of Na? You can try to recall first. A is Gei, B is Na, C is Fa, and D is Chao. And B is Na. So B is the right answer. The next question here, which one is the Hanzi of 睡觉? Do you guys still remember or not? A is 打听, B is 睡觉, C is 哪儿, and D is 安静. So B is the right answer, 睡觉. Moving on to the next question, which one is the Hanzi of 笑? Which one do you think is the correct answer, guys? You can try to guess first. A is 放, B is 拿, C is 笑, and D is 哭. C is the right answer, 笑. Yeah, and that's all for today's exam. Don't forget to keep practicing, guys. And we will be doing a lot of exams in the future. And I will see you guys on our next lesson. Thank you.